Today we're gonna make two simple Arduino projects. The first one would be LED distance indicator. To start making the LED distance indicator, we're gonna need an Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, breadboard, 7 LEDs, 7 2.2 kilo ohm resistors. First thing I'm gonna do is connect the negative side of the LEDs to the negative rail on the breadboard. After connecting all the LEDs, I need to connect the resistors. I slightly bend it a little bit and I connect one side to the positive side of the LED, and the other side goes to a separate row on the breadboard. The same thing with the rest of the other LEDs. After connecting all the resistors, take your ultrasonic sensor and plug it into your breadboard beside the LEDs. Now it's time to connect everything into the Arduino. First thing, connect the negative side of the LEDs into the ground on the Arduino. Then connect the other side of these resistors into the digital pins on the Arduino. I'm gonna start from pin 1 to pin 7. After I finished wiring the LEDs into the Arduino, I need to connect the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino. On the ultrasonic sensor, we have 4 pins: VCC, trigger, echo, and ground. The VCC goes to 5 volt. Trigger pin goes to pin 8. Echo pin goes to pin 9. And the last one is the ground needs to go to the GND, which is the ground on the Arduino. Now I finished the wiring and upload the code in the description to the Arduino. As you can see, the object is 25 cm from the sensor because only the first LED is turned on. That's exactly how I program it in the code. Now, as I get closer to the sensor, they start turning on one by one. And when I move further away, they start turning off one by one. This way we can clearly see the distance just by looking at the LEDs. Now I am 25 cm. Now I am 20 cm. Now I am 15 cm away from the sensor. Now I am 10 cm. Now I am 5 cm from the sensor. Now I am 3 cm. Now I am 1 cm from the sensor. Our second project is a servo distance indicator. In this project, we use ultrasonic sensor and a servo motor to show distance instead of LEDs. Now, in this project, you will need a breadboard, ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, Arduino Uno, and some jumper wires. First thing, take your servo motor and place it in a small piece of cardboard, then mark the area. Then carefully cut out the place so the servo motor can fit inside. Now we need a needle. I made this one from a small plastic and I need to attach it to the servo motor using this hot glue. Like this. Next step is to take your ultrasonic sensor and plug it into the breadboard. Now I'm gonna connect everything to the Arduino using these jumper wires. VCC goes to 5 volt. Trigger pin goes to pin 9. Echo pin goes to pin 10. And the ground goes to ground on the Arduino. Now it's time to connect the servo motor. We have 3 colors. We have yellow, red, and brown. Brown needs to go to the ground. Red needs to go to the 5 volt. And yellow needs to go to one of these digital pins on the Arduino. Now I'm gonna add this white paper here just to make the numbers more visible. Next step is to upload the code to the Arduino IDE. At the moment, the object is 30 centimeter from the ultrasonic sensor, and the needle is showing that. As I get closer to the ultrasonic sensor, the needle moves, indicating that the distance is getting smaller. And when the object is extremely close to the ultrasonic sensor, the needle drops to zero. As I get further away from the ultrasonic sensor, the needle changes and rises up to 20, 25, and then finally 30 centimeter.